In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix battery draining fast on iPhone after update. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now head over to the option Accessibility. Now navigate to the option Display and Text Size. Here, enable for the option Reduce Transparency option. This reduces the amount of visual effects and system animations that your iPhone needs to render, helping lower power consumption. Next thing you want to do is close this. Press and hold anywhere on the screen, click on Edit, click on the option Customize, and set it to default. This will avoid unnecessary visual customizations that may place additional demands on your device. Next up, launch settings again. Click on the option Battery. Here you're going to find the option of Power Mode, click on that. Toggle on for the option Low Power Mode, then head back. Click on Charging, then toggle on for the option Optimize Battery Charging. This feature helps protect long-term battery health. Next up, head back, go to the option Display and Brightness. Now check in for the option Dark Mode. Likewise, enable Auto Brightness so your iPhone automatically adjusts screen brightness based on ambient lighting conditions. Next up, head back, go to the option Privacy and Security, click on Location Services. Consider disabling location access for apps that don't need it or set them to access your location only while using the app. Next up, head back, go to the option General, click on the option Background App Refresh. Disable background refresh for apps you don't use frequently, as these apps can consume power even when you are not actively using them. If you have tried these optimizations and battery drain remains usually high, restarting your device and ensuring all apps are updated can also help. Sometimes background indexing and system optimization continue for several days after a major update, which can temporarily increase battery usage. If you're using an older iPhone model and continue experiencing severe battery drain, you may need to wait for future software updates that improve optimization and performance. Following battery savings tips can help improve overall battery life and make your iPhone run more efficiently. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.